Do you want to earn your first million? Welcome to a journey that will transform not just your bank account, but your entire life. Today, we'll be exploring the top habits of millionaires, habits that you can start adopting right now. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating a life that's rich in every sense of the word. First things first, you need to set your goals. This isn't some whimsical step. It's the foundation of your financial journey. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. That's what you're doing if you don't set clear, measurable financial goals. You're constructing your financial future, and your goals are your blueprint. Now let's talk about the power of visualization. It's not some mystical concept, it's about creating a vivid mental image of your goals. See yourself achieving them, feel the sense of accomplishment. This mental picture serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. It keeps you motivated, focused, and it'll help you overcome challenges along the way. But it's not enough to just dream. Your goals need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way, you'll know exactly what you need to do and when to do it. Next up, never stop learning. In the fast-paced world of today, it's imperative to stay on top of the game. And how does one do that? By continuously learning and improving oneself. It's not just about academic degrees or professional qualifications. It's about acquiring a wide array of knowledge and skills that can give you a competitive edge. Imagine the world as a vast ocean and knowledge as a ship. The more knowledge you have, the bigger your ship, the easier it is to navigate the turbulent waters of life. In the realm of financial success, knowledge is your most potent weapon. It helps you make informed decisions, reduces the risk of losses, and opens up new avenues for wealth creation. Self-improvement and continuous learning go hand in hand. They are the stepping stones to your goal of financial independence. So invest in yourself. Learn something new every day. Time to talk about investing. It's not just for the rich and famous, it's for each and every one of us. The sooner you start, the more you'll have working in your favor. That's the magic of compound interest, where your earnings generate even more earnings. Imagine planting a seed. With time and consistent care, that seed grows into a tree. And that tree? It bears fruit year after year. That's your investment. The fruits are your returns. And the best part, the fruits bear more seeds, leading to more trees and more fruit. That's compound interest. Investing early and consistently is like planting as many seeds as you can, as early as you can. It's not about instant gains, but long-term growth. It's about setting yourself up for a future where your money works for you. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. Now, let's discuss income. Building wealth is not just about earning, it's about diversifying. You see, relying on a single stream of income is a bit like walking a tightrope without a safety net. It's risky. If something happens to that one source, you're in a pickle. That's why savvy wealth builders cultivate multiple income streams. Think of it like a garden. You plant different crops, not just one. That way, if one crop fails, you have others to fall back on. It's the same with income. You could have a day job, a side hustle, some investments, maybe even a rental property. Each stream not only adds to your overall income, but also provides a safety net. If one stream dries up, you have others to keep you afloat. It's a smart, strategic way to build wealth and secure your financial future. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Let's talk about the people in your life. The people you surround yourself with can have a profound impact on your mindset and your success. So why not surround yourself with those who are on the same journey as you? Those who are pursuing success, who are ambitious and driven, just like you. Networking isn't just about making connections for your career or business. It's about creating a supportive environment that fosters growth and development. It's about finding mentors who can guide you, friends who can support you, and colleagues who can challenge you. Success isn't a solo journey, it's a collective effort. When you surround yourself with like-minded people, you can learn from their experiences, their triumphs, and even their failures. Their energy and ambition can inspire you and push you to reach greater heights. Next, let's discuss debt. Debt, often seen as a bane, can indeed be a chain that holds you back from reaching your financial goals, but it doesn't always have to be. The key is smart management and avoidance of unnecessary debt. Think of debt as a tool. Like any tool, it can be beneficial if used correctly and harmful if not. So it's crucial to avoid debts that aren't contributing to your financial growth, like credit card debt incurred from impulsive purchases. On the other hand, some debts can be considered as investments. For example, a mortgage for a home that appreciates in value, or a student loan for education that increases your earning potential. These are strategic debts, and they require careful planning and management. So, the rule of thumb here is simple. Avoid unnecessary debt, and manage the necessary ones smartly. Be proactive, make regular payments, and keep an eye on interest rates. Time to discuss automation. Automation, the secret weapon of savvy savers and investors. Picture this. Every month, a portion of your income is automatically transferred to your savings or investment accounts. No need to remember, no temptation to skip. It's out of sight, out of mind, and into your future wealth. This approach has two significant benefits. Firstly, it ensures regularity. Consistency is key in wealth building, and automated savings provide just that. Secondly, it eliminates the risk of human error. No forgetting, no excuses. Now let's talk about automating investments. Thanks to technology, you can automate your investment contributions as well. It's like having a personal finance manager working around the clock. The goal is to make your money work for you. By setting up automated savings and investments, you're essentially hiring your money to do a job. And the best part, it works tirelessly, 24/7, building your wealth while you sleep, eat, or enjoy your free time. Now let's talk about work ethic. It's not just about clocking in the hours, it's about the quality of those hours. It's about dedication, commitment, and a willingness to go the extra mile. It's about being reliable, punctual, and disciplined. You see, a strong work ethic is like a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. Developing this muscle isn't easy. It requires consistency, discipline, and a burning desire to achieve success. It's about waking up every morning with a purpose and going to bed each night with a sense of accomplishment. It's about setting high standards for yourself and never settling for mediocrity. But why is a strong work ethic so important? Well, because it's directly linked to financial success. People who work hard, who are dedicated and committed, are more likely to achieve their financial goals. They're the ones who turn dreams into reality. So remember, hard work pays off. Next, let's discuss tracking your progress. A key habit of those on the path to their first million is regularly tracking their financial progress. It's akin to a ship's captain charting a course. If you don't know where you are, how can you know if you're on the right path? The numbers tell a story. They reveal whether your investments are growing, if your savings are accumulating, and if your debts are dwindling. By keeping a keen eye on these figures, you're able to stay informed about your financial health. But it's not just about observing, it's about adjusting. If your ship veers off course, you correct it. Similarly, if your finances are not heading in the direction you want, you make the necessary changes. This could mean adjusting your budget, investing more, or perhaps switching up your income streams. Remember, it's your journey to $1 million, and the best way to ensure you get there is to keep track of your progress. As the saying goes, what gets measured gets managed. Now let's talk about patience and gratification. Patience, the ability to tolerate delay, is a virtue that plays a significant role in financial success. Think about it as planting a seed and nurturing it. It doesn't sprout overnight, does it? It takes time and care, just like your financial goals. This brings us to the concept of delayed gratification, the ability to resist the temptation for an immediate reward and wait for a more valuable reward in the future. It's about holding off on that shiny new gadget today so you can invest that money and enjoy greater returns tomorrow. Remember, the road to financial success isn't a sprint, it's more of a marathon. It's about making strategic decisions, and sometimes that means waiting. So embrace patience, practice delayed gratification. It's not easy, but it's worth it. As the old saying goes, good things come to those who wait. Last but not least, let's talk about giving back and gratitude. It might seem counterintuitive to give away a part of what you've worked so hard to earn, but trust me, the universe has a funny way of reciprocating. When you give, you create a cycle of abundance that will come back to you in unexpected ways. Now let's talk about gratitude. Practicing gratitude is not just about saying thank you. It's about truly appreciating what you have and where you are on your journey. It helps you focus on the positive, and that positivity can be a powerful magnet for attracting more good things into your life. Generosity and gratitude are not just moral virtues, They're also wealth-building strategies. They help you keep a positive mindset, build strong relationships, and stay grounded. And these are all key ingredients in the recipe for financial success. Remember, the more you give, the more you receive. So are you ready to earn your first million? It's not about the destination, but the journey. These are the habits that pave the way to your first million. And it all starts with today, with right now. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today and who knows, you could be the next millionaire next door. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more financial tips and tricks.